Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I'm going to be attempting to do the 10-minute makeup challenge. I just felt like doing a fun and quick video today, and I've never actually done this challenge before, so I'm excited to see if I can even get through it. So I really hope that you guys are excited, and if you would like to see me attempt the 10-minute makeup challenge, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, first things first, I'm going to put up all this hair because she's freshly washed. Don't really know why I did that to myself, but either way, we're gonna be doing that. And I'm pretty nervous because I feel like there are certain steps in my makeup that take me so long that I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to do it all in 10 minutes. But I'm actively gonna try and do like a full face. Like I have lashes and everything set out, so I'm hoping that I'm gonna be able to do it. I will say the thing that's like we're just not gonna talk about is my new friend that popped up this morning. She's here. My skin is just back on its bullshit. It was like, oh, you thought you were doing good? Absolutely not. So there's that. But anyways, we're not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna roll these sleeves up. I do have all the products that I'm gonna use like laid out in front of me just so I don't have to dig through my drawers. I don't know if that's cheating or not, but I don't think so. But either way, I'm doing it. So we're gonna jump into this. I'm gonna set a timer on my phone for 10 minutes. And yeah, I'm so nervous. As you can see, I want you guys to see that it is definitely just 10 minutes that I'm going to be setting right there. And we're going to get to this. Okay, start. I don't have much time. I'm already stressed. I'm not really going to talk to you guys about much because I don't know what there's going to be to talk to you about, but I'm going to prime my skin. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh my gosh. I don't have time for you to not squirt out today. It'd be like that. So I'm actually gonna try and make the makeup look as good as I can as well. Like I'm not just trying to haphazardly like do it where it looks really crappy. Like the goal would be for it to look passable, for me to, you know, at least run to Walmart in, if you will, you know what I'm saying? No offense to the Walmart because I love the Walmart. So I'm just hoping that I can actually make it look like halfway decent, but we shall see. Now I'm feeling so stressed that I feel like I've used more foundation than I've ever used in my life. I don't even know what to talk to you guys about while I'm doing this because I'm so stressed. Let's see if I can cover up all my problems. Probably not. Oh my God. My skin really was doing well for a couple of days and then she was like, you thought, don't get comfortable. I'm getting an arm cramp. Oh my God. I'm getting an arm cramp and I don't even know. Oh my God. It's already been like a minute and a half. I don't know why I'm checking. Like that's not what you should be doing. My arm hurts so bad. Why am I not ambidextrous? Oh my God. Oh, I'm gonna set everything with a giant powder brush because I don't know what else to do in this situation. Oh my Christ. I didn't lay out all my brushes, so I am kind of stressed about that. Hitting it with a little bit of contour. Yeah, that went nowhere. What coverage? There was no focus on my zit. Where do I use? So I'm going in with some bronzer. and go ahead and put on my brows because I feel like I really want to have my brows done. I would be kind of disappointed if I let my brows go. And I feel like my brows are one of the things that like literally take me the longest, so I don't know. I'm hoping that I'm not going to be like too stressed about it. My dog just sleeping away as if I'm not having like a mild panic situation over here. She's like, yeah, I don't care. Whoa, where did I do that? I'm really sorry I feel like I'm not talking to you guys a lot. I feel like this video is going to be kind of boring to watch because I'm like, I feel like I can't talk and I have no one here to like bounce stuff off of. I'll try and be better. I'm just really trying to concentrate. Like I actually want to do pretty stinking well. Blush. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some blush. Okay, there's that. So now I'm gonna do an eyeshadow look real quick. So I'm using the Tati Beauty palette for this today, and I'm just gonna take this neutral brown first, and I'm gonna do that. I am gonna try and do a little something here, just because I don't want to like be like, all I did was slap something on in the crease, but we'll see. How much time do I have left? Oh my God, just under 5 minutes. The stress. Oh no. So I'm taking that same brush and I'm gonna dip into a deeper brown shade now. We're gonna start working this on that outer corner. Oh crap. Y'all, my bicep is literally on fire. I just don't know that I've ever done my makeup with my arms this tense before. I feel like I need a slightly smaller brush. Dang it. Why am I over here trying to try? So I'm gonna take this glitter, like liquid shadow, and I'm gonna try and use this on the eye. Put it out with my finger. Ooh, okay. All right. Hold there for a second. Highlighter, where are you? I literally have you sitting out. What are you doing? Highlight. Not me literally having like 3 minutes left. Oh my God. The anxiety in the inner corner. Do it under the brow bone a little bit. Brow bone a little bit. We will set the brows down. Ooh, I missed. Gonna curl the lashes. Hit it with the mascara. Oh my God. The anxiety, I'm just like waiting for it to go off. Oh my God. I don't know if my heavy breathing is picking up on camera, but you guys should know I'm like wheezing over here, so stressed. My hand is dang near shaking. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop Lippie. That does not match the look that I had done. It's not bad. We're gonna set it real quick. I think that's everything. Did I do everything? Oh my god. Try it. I have like about a minute. Like, do I want to try and pop lashes on? I'm gonna attempt it. One. Oh no. Like, this is gonna be my downfall. Like, I could have been doing good if I didn't decide to do this. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I can't grab it. It's gonna be too much glue. Do I have any? There it went! There it went! Oh, I was gonna attempt to get some like of my more like heavy duty powder and like try and cover that up, but my alarm just went off. So that was 10 minutes. Why did that literally feel, on my end at least, like 30 seconds? It literally felt like I barely... Brandy, she's over my dramatics. So it literally felt like I did nothing. Oh my god, I'm so stressed out. Okay, let me get a good size mirror up here and I want to see what I have done to myself real quick. Oh my gosh. You know what? Not to toot my own horn, but this really is not that bad. Okay, I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can get a good taste of what I've got going on here. So, it's the eyelashes for me, bro. Okay, so this is what I've got going on. And to be fair, in all honesty, I think, you know, when the glue dries, the lashes won't look that bad. But they're not quite, you know, like as close to my actual lashes as I would like. Like, you can see they're kind of lifted. But for having less than a minute to put them on, really, they're not that bad. Now something is itching my eye. It'd be like that sometimes. The eye look is extremely basic, but that glitter kind of saved the day, honestly. Brows, y'all. Sorry, my camera was dying on that one. But the brows, you guys, literally are not that bad. They're not as shaped as I would like. Like, normally they would look a little more even. Like, the front of this one is just having its own time. But, like, they're not that bad. And my skin itself does not look terrible. Like, tell me how, like, this area of my face actually looks pretty dang bomb. Okay, aside from the fact that, like, this bitch right here just really wanted to stay and play, and she was like, yeah, you can't hide the fact that you're here. Like, look at all my acne from my mask. But other than that, you guys, like, it don't look half bad. That's it for today, guys. That is all for this 10-minute makeup challenge. I'm honestly really impressed with myself that I, one, got every step done. At least I think I did. I can't think of one off the top of my head right now that I would have missed. So I'm more just impressed that I got every step of my makeup done, especially the lashes, because I really thought I was going to have to pass on those. And in all honesty, the makeup does not look that bad. It does not look great, especially because, like, this area down here. But, like, as far as, like, my base goes and everything, you guys, I do not look that bad in my personal opinion. So, yeah, this was fun. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. I highly encourage you to do this challenge if you want to just have a little bit of fun and see if you can get through your makeup in 10 minutes. Maybe I'll try and do this challenge like in the future with like a more difficult makeup look. Like maybe I'll try and do like something more colorful or something a little bit different. But I don't know, I feel like for a first time this really wasn't bad and my only goal was to complete it. So yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Again, give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do put out new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, you will never miss an upload from me. And last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram at Alyssa and Pope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!